Alarms are an important aspect of monitoring your industrial assets, and N3uron makes it easy to set up and customize alarms for monitoring specific conditions. Let me walk you through the steps for configuring an alarm in N3uron. The first step is to navigate to the Tags section by heading to System and clicking on Config in the navigation panel. Here, you can select the tag you want to configure an alarm for in the model panel. For the purpose of this example, we want to monitor the efficiency of our plant so that we can be notified if it goes below a certain value, so let's click on Efficiency. Next, go to the Alarms and Events section. Here, we will set up the alarm by clicking on the ellipsis button on the right-hand side of the Alarms label. In the drop-down menu, we need to select New Tag Alarm Number. Once created, give the alarm a name such as Critical Low Efficiency and expand the menu located under the new alarm to see all the different parameters that can be configured. The enabled parameter allows users to enable or disable the evaluation function for the alarm condition, so let's keep this enabled. The description field allows you to provide additional information about the alarm. In this case, we will enter efficiency under critical values, so that users can understand what is happening when the alarm is active. The priority parameter specifies the priority or severity level of the alarm. Each level is associated with a numeric value from 1 to 4, ranging from low to critical. We will give this example maximum priority, but you will need to consider which priority level best suits your alarm. Finally, the mode parameter controls which condition the alarm is evaluating, comparing the tag value with the alarm's target value, which will be the next parameter to configure. This means that the alarm will remain active or inactive depending on whether the tag value is lower, greater, equal, or not equal to the target value. Since our goal is to know when the efficiency of our plant goes below a certain value, we need to select the less than mode and set the guide value that will be used to activate the alarm. For example, 20. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. That's it. We have now successfully configured an alarm for this specific tag. You can repeat these steps for any other tags that you want to monitor. N3uron allows you to quickly set your alarms to trigger whenever they meet your requirements, making it as effective as possible to monitor your tags and ensure that any issues can be quickly addressed. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this lesson useful.